If you're looking for an easy way to keep an eye on your front door without, dealing with complicated wiring, this is a really convenient option. This is a wireless video doorbell camera, so installation is pretty straightforward since it's battery operated. So once it's connected to your 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi and paired with the app, you can check in on your front door right from your phone. And what I like most is that it uses AI human detection to help reduce alerts from things like passing cars or animals. So you're really just getting notifications that are a little more meaningful. The video records in 1080p and you can see the camera through here. And even at night, the infrared night vision gives you a pretty clear view of who's outside. So that's really helpful to know. It also has two-way audio, so if a delivery shows up while you're away, you can actually talk to them through the app without opening the door. And this is just such a huge benefit to have that option. If you're doing something inside and you want to say something to your deliverer, you can just speak through this camera. And it also supports cloud storage. So you can go back and review recorded events if needed. There's a little doorbell down here that you can ring as well. And overall, if you want an affordable way to add a little extra peace of mind to your front door without running wires or hiring an installer, I think this is a solid option that's easy to set up and very simple to use. And if you do want to charge this up, it comes with a cable, a USB-A to USB-C cord. This is just a really nice wireless doorbell slash camera, and I do want to thank the brand for sending this over.